guys from Philippines. It's my first video in English language. That's why sorry my English not so good. I'm living in Philippines already 3 years and I try to build all for myself. Now I built my house. It's from liquid concrete. These local guys, hello. And so you see I am thin and for me unreal hard to mix concrete. That's why I made concrete mixer. It's from some, some, I call it stick and sheet. It's made from, I don't know, it's cost me like 3,000 peso, maybe a little bit smaller. What I use barrel from milk, and this is 1.2 inch square pipe, and good bar, some steel bar. It's all what makes a search in building site. So I say you size for how to write cutting. That's now in metric size, okay, because I use metric size. I think it's better when imperial. Okay, 10 centimeter. This size 25 centimeter and 5 centimeter, 5 millimeter size. Okay, we cut like that after welding, and after we weld all this, it depends what size your barrel and some another. Why need that nose? For you make put maximum level if you need, and it's much easier. You know how you put the T, that's what working same. Okay, next. This need for put down all that system. That stopper we just take out bolt, and it's easy to put down. Yeah. Size from here to here. Anyway, you make look this line same in any barrel. It's standard, but I also take my centimeter and look, it looks like 25 plus 3, 28 centimeter size from here to here. What I use here, this is part of big pipe. They're much smaller pipe and steel bar, just welding. That's why it's easy to turn. We just put something liquid oil there, and it's don't be rusty and much easier to moving. This is it's also neat. This is stopper when we put down that whole system. Okay, we take out this, and about that stopper, I recommended it at the small rubber pipe for the much small flare touching moment. You see, bam, and it stop all system. Next moment is about here. How stay barrel. There we need add flat bar. Why? Because barrel it's really thin steel. It's not like in 1960 years building cars and all another. It's big thickness. Now all economy. That's why it's very thin. We need to do it much stronger, and also do like it's like road from wheels who cover all barrel. If we don't did it, we have a risky for barrel deformated, and it's not okay because it's turning. And if it start be not circle, if it start be ellipse, your barrel start to jumping, and it's not good. That's why this flat bar need. Don't forget grinded for it be really flat, and because you see it's so easy rotation and don't have some sound like that. Okay, next what I use, this is bearing, this bearing from bicycle in rear wheel. I just cut a bolt and welding it. That's why this bearing stay no problem. There I just use biggest bearing because I don't have another. It's from bike, small bike, like people use in Asia. I put just bolts, some flat ring, and also weld it. It's if has what the minus of that. If you want to change it, you need cut there. It's a lot of problem. But you may put there some wells, you know, and they're not for to cut it. But really, if you care your concrete mixer, you cover it and water not go inside. You put oil sometime. Check all that. You'll never not do something from that. It's make working how you want, how long you want, how long you live. Okay, let's go and look mechanical drive from that. First what I do, I look, it's not my idea, you know, that's why I see some information in internet, and I see some variant when put chain here, and there also have some part, this part before stay like this, and I use my battery drill from that side, but it's not right system because it's very noisy and it's have very big vibration when it's turning. Yeah, it's same circle, but this type, this one, it's different because if you use chain, and this one it's from also from bike and this one from bike and this one it's also from bike. Anyway, chain need go around, not like here, and when it's rotation it's like pushing there. That's why I have vibration, very hard to turn it. That's why it looks like your doctor who make a Frankenstein, and when they start to use it, it looks like that Frankenstein say, "Oh, please kill me," because it's really terrible. That's why I, for next day, rebuild that system from that. This is also pipe, bearing, same, all same, so easy. Also don't forget do much stronger your backside because it's very big mass be inside your concrete, sand and gravel. This one is for hand variant. If you don't have electricity, or maybe you burn your drill, you make use hand, and you see it's very easy to turning, very easy, ideal. If you use drill, you need to take out that bolt. It's small pipe and go in some little bit biggest pipe. Very easy. What I make say about my experience from that. First, when you do concrete mixer, you need try be very careful for search center of diameter a barrel. This is main and first. If you search right place from this, all your job be very easy, because this one from center, if it's be not in center, it's not make work normal, right? And I make say it's not ideal system, much ideal if you use wheels and belt, and you make use also motor from washing machine, and it's enough. You make use from belt this place of barrel, and it's be enough. Their second wheel and put motor, and it's be much right system, because belt it's flexible, and when motor start to turning, belt do little bit flex move, and it's much easy, much soft motor for starting rotation. This system it's much hard to make when belt and wheels, but anyway, I say I use what I have. I don't want to buy something, because there don't have some trash places where you make just come and for few cents buy it. They're all expensive. It's island, and they're just cheap. It's coconut and rice. That's all what I want to say. This bracket from drill, I make install drill there and use drill for turning, and also manual. That's all. That's why enjoy. Nothing hard. Don't scare to start. You know, when I try to start it, I few days prepare my mind. I be scared. I don't know for what I need start working. In end of video, you make look some photo what I do when I build it. And I also say you about this inside part. Their size 20 centimeter, and it's just flat bar, angle bar, and it's assembled together from steel bar. And we have little bit angle. Why? When it's rotation, it's have angle like this and also like that. For what? For it's like a spoon take a load gravel and sand, and after see it's taking, and after that all sand go down. This is how it mixing. And that's why much effective if you do angle, not do straight, not 90 degrees. Do like 45-50 degrees, and also not straight to your downside of barrel. Little bit also angle, maybe 10-15 degrees like that. It's much effective. Of course, much easy do like this, but it's up to you. So if you like that video, it's testing video. Maybe I do translation. I have a lot of video about how to do something from sheet and stick, and for it be really nice and cheap. I make do translation from that. That's why just push like and subscribe my channel. If you write some commentary about what you think about my construction, I'd be happy. And I also make look people who talk in English. It's interesting. That's why it gives me power to translate some another video. So bye bye. See you next video. See you.